Welcome. In our previous lesson, we learned how to multiply algebraic expressions. In this lesson, we are going to continue. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to multiply algebraic expressions. Now let's try these examples. So we have to multiply negative 3xy squared by 2x and then by another negative 2xy squared. So we have 3 terms here. Now, negative 3 times 2 is going to give us negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 2 is going to give us positive 12. Now, let's come to the variables. This is x, this is x, this is x. So, they are multiplying. And then we said when they are multiplying, we what? We add the exponents. So, this is x raised to the power 1, raised to the power 1, raised to the power 1. So, we get 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is what? 3. So, we are getting x raised to the power 3. Now, let's come to the y's. We have y squared here. This one doesn't have y. And then we have y squared here. So, 2 plus 2 is giving us what? 4. So, we have y raised to the power 4. And then we are done with the first example. So, I. It's very simple, right? Now, let's try the second one. We have 4 p q r raised to the power 6 times negative 2 p squared q times 2p. So let's deal with the coefficients. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 2 will give us negative 16. Now let's come to the variables. We have p here, we have p here, we have p here. So this is 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4. So we have p raised to the power 4. And then let's come to q. This is 1 plus 1. So we have 2. So q raised to the power 2. And r is just r raised to the power 6 here. Now, let's try the third example. We have 4ab times negative bc squared times negative ac. We have 4. You know there's a 1 here and then there's a 1 here. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 1 will give us positive 4. So we have positive 4 here. And let's come to the variables. So you have a here, and then we have a here. 1 plus 1 is giving us a squared. Now b is 1 here, b is 1. So 1 plus 1 is also giving us b squared. And then we have c squared here and c. So 2 plus 1 is giving us 3. We've come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to multiply algebraic expressions. Then we said when you are multiplying algebraic expressions, the powers are affected. Join me in the next lesson as we learn how to divide algebraic expressions. See you in the next lesson.